Oh no. You want to do an intro with me? Do you want to do an intro with me? Okay. Let's say this. Let's say... What do you want to say? Let's say this. Go. Hey, Sam fans and Dunatics. Sam, Phil, and Flomar here. Hey, Sam fans and Dunatics. Sam, Phil here. Hey, man, I'm ready to start driving my van around, and I'm getting really close. But there's one thing you got to have in your vehicle before you can drive it. I mean, besides having the insurance and the tag, you got to have some tunes in it, man. You can't drive around without a radio. So, anyway, let's go put a radio in the van. And make sure you watch to the very end of this video, because I've got a special unboxing, a surprise, that we're going to put on the van later. But it'll just give away, it may just give away what my plan is with the van. So, watch to the end of the video. Anyway, let's go put a stereo in the van. Okay guys, well, I did some work on the van without filming it. Put the seatbelt up there. Just because I didn't know how well it was going to turn out. But as you can see, I built an overhead console for it. And I think it came out okay. Put me some 6x9s in it. And today, we got some goodies in for the van. So, let me show you what I got. I'll move the camera around here. Alright. So, I know what this is. Got me a big roll of wire. Whew. Look at that. Yep, that'll work. So, we got that. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's the backup camera. Alright guys, check this out. Got me an Android stereo for the van, so now we're going to have some tunage. Alright, well, let me get the camera set up for you. We'll get this old stereo out. We'll get this new one put in. And put this back away so I don't mess it up. Alright guys. Let me get back with you here in just a second. Alright, well, somewhere my camera quit playing and I was just working, so. But look, I got the seats put in. Look, I got them working. How about that? Pretty cool. I got all the center console put back in the van. There's a stereo. It's a 10-inch Android stereo, and then I put, yeah, because I'm old school, I put in some 6x9 Rockford Fosgates up here in the old center console, overhead console. Let's see. So I got the driver's side all done, and so there you go. But check this out. Yeah, this is a 10-inch, and I'd love to show you how this works, but I'm afraid if it plays any music, YouTube will flag me for sure. But well, man, we got the van where it makes some tunes, so I'm getting excited. I think I'm gonna try to drive it back and forth to work this week a little bit, just because it's that cool. Anyway. Well, hey, let's see what we got in the box here. I think this may give the van plan away right here. But anyway, let me show you what we got in. Hopefully these are check it out. Alright guys, there's the biggest clue I can give you on what we're going to do with the van. So if you guys saw the wheels that I got for the van, that's a pretty good indication of what I'm going to turn this van into, at least on the outside. On the inside, it's going to be all comfort for going to the sand dunes and hanging out and towing the trailer and everything. So anyway, we're super close to going and getting the engine. Hopefully the next video, or maybe the video after that, we'll be going to get the engine and transmission for this bad boy. Anyway, if you feel like it, subscribe. I don't want to be one of these YouTubers that is just begging for subscriptions all the time. But I noticed that on my page that a lot of people watch my videos, but not a whole lot of people subscribe. So if you feel like subscribing, subscribe. But if not, I'm still going to make videos. Anyway, this is going to be Sand Phil out. Be safe out on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?